you will have to make this sentence in an active voice, then you will have to transform into passive voice. I read a book. I am reading a book. I have read a book. I have been reading a book for a long time. I read a book. I was reading a book. I have read a book. I have reading a book for a long time. Then I will read a book. I will be reading a book. I will have read a book. I will have reading a book for a long time. Then you have to transform, and this sentence will be transformed into a passive voice. So you will have to transform into passive. But one who does not require to transform into passive voice, then you do not need to transform it into passive voice. Or it just let's start. Follow this instruction. I read a book.
Book is read by me.
Book is read by me.
Book is no, this one.
Book is read
By me.
Read it. What read it? What read
Read
it?
by me.
Read by me. Book. A book is
Read
read
by
by me. I am reading a book.
I am reading a book.
Book is reading by
A book
Book is reading by me.
is
being
Reading by me.
by me.
read by me. What is the form? A book is being
Read by me.
read by me. Now make this one. I have read a book.
Book had been
A book
read by me.
Book
has been
has been excellent. Yeah. A book has been read by me. Excellent. I read a book.
a book was
A book was
Read by me.
excellent. A book was read by me. I was reading a book.
a book read by me.
A book was being read by me. Excellent. I had read a book.
Book had been read. Book had
Excellent. I have been reading a book for a long time.
A book will be read by me.
No, this one.